All right, folks, here we go again with another beautiful, gorgeous 2019 Ford Taurus Police Interceptor 3.5 front-wheel drive. Original black on black from factory, folks, from the City of San Diego Sheriff Office. This was a detective vehicle, not a patrol unit. Vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and she is in immaculate running condition and shape, folks. Original black once again, so the vehicle does have some door dings. The vehicle does have some scratches, and I do have some chipping on the front end from road hazard, but nothing big or major to worry about, folks. The vehicle is in perfect running condition, folks. Vehicle does have window tint from the department that appears to be dark shade on the rear and 20% in the front. 20% in the front you can see right through. Perfect color combination, folks. Once again, this was not a patrol unit. Everything does work on the vehicle. No holes in the body, no holes on the interior. Vehicle does have working backup sensors, backup camera, and blind spot sensing on the side view mirrors, folks. It does have a dual exhaust. This is not the civilian version of the Ford Tauruses, folks. Once again, this is the Police Interceptor version of the Ford Tauruses on the 3.5 all-wheel, 3.5 front-wheel drive. I apologize on that right there. Vehicle does get about 17 to 18 miles to the gallon in the city, and you will probably get 26 mpg while you're on cruising speeds on the highway. Let me stop right here. Vehicle does have a new set of rear brakes and rotors. Okay. Just before I forget, I am leaving the full wheel covers on this unit. If you don't like those full wheel covers, I do have a set of dog dishes. Those are going to be the little chrome center caps. And I can go ahead and do the swap at an additional cost. I do have to buy those chrome center caps myself, so usually I charge my customers a little bit money on top if they want to go with the dog dishes. Vehicle does have a nice set of clean and clear lenses and lights in the front. Those are going to be OEM. The vehicle does have a new set of Sylvania light bulbs. Those are going to be the CXC light bulbs, so they're brighter at night. Let me get closer here, folks, and show you on the hood. There's going to be some little white dots. That's going to be the road hazard, the shipping right there from road hazard, okay? Very nice looking vehicle. Before I forget, I do have one crease here in the rear driver's side door. You guys can see it. I don't know if you can see it, but it's there. It's one crease. Something probably hit it there. You do have to look closely, but it's there, folks. Once again, everything does work on the vehicle, folks, and I already did all the PN services on this vehicle to make sure she is perfect for the next owner. Let's go inside real quick and show you what we got to work with. Great tires, folks. I got to tell you, I forgot that. Vehicle does have a nice set of tires from that department. Those are going to be the Goodyear Eagles RSAs 245 55 18s. Rear door locks in place. So you guys can see the vehicle does have a nice interior. Matching rear seat, all seat belts and buckles are in place. Vehicle does have carpeting floors with floor mats. They are in place. I'm surprised they weren't stolen. They usually are at the auction, but this ones were inside. And of course, I have customers coming in, neighbors. Let me get out of the way. Vehicle did come with 4 key fobs, so everything does work in the vehicle. Moving the car, folks, while we wait for the neighbor to pull in. I gotta tell you that the vehicle does have 143. Let me clean this up, sorry. Okay, I couldn't get it. Sorry, guys. Vehicle does have 143 100,000 miles. We're gonna round that up to 144, 145. I am gonna be driving the vehicle because the MPG is really good. In California, gas prices are way up there, so I'm gonna be driving this one around, but it's not gonna be a tremendous amount of mileage put into it. Vehicle does have 12, let's just say 1,300 idle hours. It's got 1293 to be exact. Vehicle does have working backup camera. It's right there. I'm trying to maneuver as I make my way around here, folks. So vehicle does have working backup camera. Let's put that in park. Stereo does work. YouTube, I do not own the rest of the song, so red LED, white LED. Map lights do work, factory map lights. This vehicle does not have the blackout option enabled. Here we go, another neighbor coming in. I was fine, guys, I was fine. Let me just get out of the way here, folks. I'm sorry. I mean, this is, as much as I don't like to break the video, I had to sometimes, okay? Nice carpeting floor. Okay. Driver's side seat appears to be in new condition. Passenger side seat appears to be in new condition. Driver's side seat does have a little bit of wear. Okay, but for the most part, it is comfortable. One little tear on the floor mat right there. Okay, no tears underneath. All right, guys. Vehicle does have 143. I already mentioned that. Vehicle did come with the OEM full center console, so everything is there. You have your cup holder. Cigarette lighters do work. Vehicle does have factory built-in Bluetooth as well, so you can connect your phone right through the vehicle and take your calls and whatnot. What else? Oh yeah, I gotta go to the trunk. Sorry guys, I already lost my train of thought here, so I do apologize, but I gotta move out of the way. It's about the time where everybody starts coming in. So vehicle does have a metal box here. Not you can see that it's missing the lock, so I put a magnet here so this flap doesn't go all over the place. Vehicle does have a full spare tire. This is what came with the vehicle. What you see is what you're going to get. There you go. Once again, folks, I do apologize. One question that is always asked on this particular Ford Taurus or Explorers: has the water pump been replaced? The answer is I don't know. Why? I don't know that answer because we don't get the service records from the department. And this is one of the reasons why I got to take my time and going through each and every vehicle that I get that comes through me. Okay. All right, here we go. We're giving this vehicle a natural look. Starting right to left, vehicle does have a brand new Motorcraft battery, brand new air filter, throttle body was serviced and cleaned out, transmission was serviced. That is a draining field. We did use Motorcraft LB on this one. Vehicle does have 6 Motorcraft Iridium spark plugs, which are $14.99 each. There's a difference on the, I guess, newer years, 2018s, 2019s. Take a different plug. Be careful. Make sure you're using the right plug. These are going to be Iridiums only, $14.99 anywhere you go, folks. Full synthetic oil service was done. Dry belt tensioner were replaced. Cabin filter was replaced. Suspension is nice and tight. I do have rear new brakes and rotors. Front brakes were around 70%, so I didn't have to replace those. Let me be quiet so you can hear the engine. Radiator hoses appears to have been replaced already. You guys can see it. They look new. They look new. All right. There you guys go. Lights on. So these are going to be the Sylvania CXC light bulbs. They're a little bit brighter versus the yellow conventional lights. One last final look. here for you guys to see. This is the perfect vehicle if you're looking to get around town from point A to Z. It is a front-wheel drive Ford 2019 Ford Taurus. Very reliable. Less headaches to worry about comparing it to the all-wheel drive. But here she is. First come, first serve basis, folks. If you see something you like, please do not hesitate to give me a call or text me. Serious inquiries only, please. That's all I asked. Lately, I have been getting a lot of disrespectful offers and a bunch of tire kickers that are just wasting time. Respectfully, if you're one of those, please just don't waste my time. All right. But if you are serious about doing business, do not hesitate to call me. That's all I ask. Serious inquiries only. All right, folks, this is the Crown Victoria guy, also known as SoCal Police Cruisers, showing you this beautiful 2019 Ford Taurus 3.5 front-wheel drive Police Interceptor. Thanks for watching. You guys have yourself a blessed week, and take care.